Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your ChatGPT sign up problem. So let's say you try to make a ChatGPT account and you were not able to, then I will show you guys how you guys can fix it. But before that, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. Let's move on. First thing, clear the cache of your browser. How you guys can do that is click on the three dot at the top right of your browser and then go on versus settings. Now once you're inside settings, go on privacy and security. Once you're over here, click on clear browsing data and make sure all three are ticked. Click on clear data and your browser's data will be cleared. Once you do that, if it still doesn't work, then check your internet, because sometimes due to slow internet as well, it causes this problem. Now even if you have a fast internet connection and you're still facing this problem, the next thing you can do is use a VPN. Now for PC you can use this Windscribe VPN. It's a free VPN, but in mobile you can easily find a free VPN, so you don't have to worry about it. After you download a VPN, just connect to a random country. Doesn't matter which, just connect to a random one, alright? And try to create an account. It should work. If it still doesn't work, then it could be that ChatGPT servers are offline, which means ChatGPT is fixing a problem they are having. To check if that's the issue, just search for status ChatGPT. Once you search for status ChatGPT, click on OpenAI status and check if they're online or not. So over here you see green dot, which means they are online. If you see anything else than green, that means they are offline and they are currently having some issue. But right now it shows green over here, which means they are working. So all the steps I told you, if you followed that, you should be able to create a ChatGPT account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.